Hello, wonderful children. All right, we had a request for a problem that involves system of equations here. We all love systems of equations. So I've decided to make another problem since I ran out of time in the last video. One problem here. It's going to be awesome. We're going to solve for x and y, given these two parallel lines with the transversal and these wonderful angle measures in terms of x and y. All right, I am here with another student as well, which is why I'm masked up, ready to rock and roll. It's actually the creator and runner of Mr. Allen E.N. Rocks 101 _ fan page on Instagram. It's dope. Almost as cool as River Dog Jenny on the ground. But, you know, gotta plug something, right? Gotta plug something. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. All right, we're gonna use yellow. Cool. So, if I've got parallel lines, one thing that I do know is that this guy right here and this one right here, those are corresponding angles, therefore they are congruent. I can set them equal to each other. So we'll have 3x plus 3y equals y minus 2. And I want to get this into what's called standard form, where it's x, then a y, then a number. So I'm going to subtract y and I'll get 3x plus 2y equals negative 2. Dope. That is one equation. Now I'm going to switch markers. I'm going to go with, how about, actually, I think the pink showed up not so great. How about white? That'll be fun on a black background. All right. So I need one other piece of information. Well, I do know that these two angles, this and then this one right here, those two are supplementary to each other. They're same side interior angles. So if I add them up, I can set them equal to 180. Let's do that. So I'd have x plus y, looks like there we go, plus 188 plus y minus 2 equals 180. And now I'm going to simplify. There's a bit more simplification to do here. So I've got, looks like x plus 2y, and then I got 186 here, and then we'll do one more step. We get x plus 2y equals negative 6. I have my two equations for a system of equations. I'm going to jot them down over here. So we will have the 3x plus 2y equals a negative 2. And I've got my x, whoa, that's not the marker I wanted. X plus 2y equals negative 6. Now we can solve this wonderful system of equations. I'm going to swap back to, we'll say, light blue. And then, whoosh. All right. What do I need to do here? Well, it looks like I want to use some elimination method. I'm going to go ahead and erase that line, but I'm going to multiply, let's say the second one here, by a negative 1. That way I get my y's to cancel out. So my new equation is going to be still 3x plus 2y equals negative 2. But then I'm going to have negative x minus 2y equals 6. This bad boy is ready for elimination method. I want to keep that Mr. On Rocks 101 _ up there. You know, got the plug. All right, boom, that cancels. 2x equals 4. Then x equals positive 2. Woo! All right, we got one variable. I'm very excited that this is working out correctly because writing a system of equations problem with these parallel lines, it ain't no joke. It's actually kind of difficult. I had to use my brain a lot. And I don't really want to do that right now, but I did it for you guys because I care, okay? I care. All right. Now, we want to solve for y. I got to use one of my two equations, plug it back in, solve for y. Really doesn't matter which one we're working with. I guess I'll use the one that was written in white because it doesn't have a lead coefficient in front of the x. So I'm going to have 2 plus 2y equals a negative 6, right? I subbed that 2 in for x in that equation, that second equation right there. So now I have 2 plus, wait, why did I need to do that? I'm going to subtract the 2. 2y equals negative 8. Y equals negative 4. That's what I'm talking about. I have solved for x and y. Those were, I believe, the directions of the problem. Yep, solve for x and y. We did so. A lot of times we'll write that as an ordered pair, 2, negative 4. I could also ask you for the angle measures or whatever. In this case, I get some weird negative angles. So we're not going to do that on this one because it was hard enough to write the system of equations. So I'm sorry the numbers really don't actually work in the real problem, I'm realizing. But at least we went through the setup and the solving, and we're all Gucci, and we have an awesome new Instagram to follow. So without further ado, have a wonderful day. America, freedom, rock and roll, Costco. Yo, Ro, River Dog Jenny on the gram, and Mr. On Rocks 101 _ on the gram. I'm out of breath. See ya.